Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a sleek image slider that loops automatically, perfect for showcasing photos, product shots, or any visuals you want to feature. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or just want to add some dynamic flair to your site, this step-by-step guide will get you there, even if you're totally new to Wix Studio. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Wix website in the Wix Studio editor. If you haven't done this before, just log into your Wix account and select the site you want to work on. Seeing your website layout in front of you makes it much easier to visualize where you want your new slider gallery to go. Next up, let's add a section. Think of sections like building blocks on your website. They separate different parts of your page, making it more organized and visually appealing. Just hover near where you want the gallery to appear and click Add Section. You can always move or resize this later, so don't worry too much about positioning at the start. Once you've added your section, we're going to add an element. This is kind of like choosing pieces of furniture for a room. Elements are the interactive parts of your site: galleries, text boxes, buttons, and so on. Click Add Element inside your new section and you'll see a big menu of options pop up. Scroll down and select Gallery. Galleries are fantastic for displaying multiple images in a neat, stylish way. From the gallery types, choose Slider Gallery. This particular style lets users scroll through images horizontally, one at a time, just like flipping through a slideshow. It's simple and looks super polished. Now you'll see a few different slider gallery designs. Look for the one that has arrows for navigation. Usually there's a thumbnail of a slider with left and right arrows. When you pick this template, your visitors will be able to scroll through the images using those arrows, which gives them a little more control. But let's make it even better. Click Stretch on the slider gallery and then enable Stretch to full width. This ensures your gallery extends edge to edge across your page. Not only does this look modern and professional, but it's also great for catching the eye of anyone landing on your site. This part might take a few moments as you adjust the sizing, so feel free to experiment until it really fits your vision. Once you're happy with the placement and size, click Settings for your slider gallery. Here, where the magic happens. Enable Autoplay on loading. What this does is automatically start cycling through your images as soon as someone lands on your site, no clicks required. Autoplay keeps visitors engaged and makes your gallery stylishly dynamic, especially if you have great visuals to showcase. Don't worry if you're not sure what speed to choose. You can always tweak autoplay settings later to get the perfect pace. When you're done with the settings, go ahead and close out of the window. Now's the moment of truth. Head over to the preview button to watch your new slider gallery in action. Seeing your images slide smoothly across the screen is really satisfying, and it gives you a chance to make any final adjustments before publishing. And that's it, you just created an infinite slider gallery in Wix Studio. Super simple and incredibly effective. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or get stuck. I always love hearing from you. If you want more helpful Wix tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.